Well, here in eastern Oklahoma, we did have some of those storms, but we also had a whole lot of heat. Sounding like a broken record, highs back above 100 degrees for the Tulsa area. 101 officially there, Muskogee at 101, 104 in Stigler down to Poto. And of course, now we had some storms come and cool off some of those areas this evening. The forecast moving forward, not as hot. Tomorrow's feel like temperature below 100 with an actual high of 94, 95 on Friday. But there we go again, back to another string of triple-digit days, another heat wave awaiting us at the very end of August. And as we move into the start of September, more of the same. No meaningful sign of fall in sight, I'm afraid, quite yet. But let's take a look outside on the Bob Hurley Every Weather Camera Network, noticing a few clouds in the distance. 100 degrees on the dot right now after hitting 101 with a light north breeze. Not often we're in the hundreds with a north wind. Temperatures range from the lower 90s in Stigler now with that rain-cooled air to the mid-80s in Poto to still that sticky heat around Tulsa where it's 100 feel like temperatures. 104 here, 106 McAllister, 102 Okmulgee over to Bristow. That heat and humidity firing the storms off mostly in our easternmost counties today, drifting southward. We're also watching a lonesome cell, an isolated storm south of Wichita moving southward along I-35. That would still be outside the viewing area, but we'll watch for anything that could develop in between these two clusters of storms, one of which has just kind of scraped past some of our southeastern counties. Latimer County getting a severe thunderstorm warning earlier. That storm fading away now. Not much ongoing in its wake besides a little cell popping up just northwest of Eufaula. We'll see a few more of these cells developing from the outflow from storms from earlier this evening. As you'll see here on Future Track, we're left with just a few more cells that'll be kind of developing, festering for a little bit and then dying on off. But after sunset, we're going to be hard-pressed to find much more rain in the area. That means quiet weather awaits us overnight and into the morning. And as we get our day started tomorrow, we'll enjoy a crisp and cool 72 degrees. That's actually pretty close to average, ending up with seasonably hot weather by afternoon, 94, partly sunny skies, and a very slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, primarily south of Tulsa. The wider view is going to show another complex of storms in western Oklahoma tonight and into the morning hours tomorrow. There could be a few pop-up storms. This shows a little bit more rain up towards Tulsa. That's less likely, but as we move towards the afternoon and evening, south of Tulsa appears to be the spot that might get a little more rainfall. So as we take a look at that forecast, the 10 days ahead of us, 94 tomorrow, that's as cool as we've got. Back to 100 or above this weekend.